Hello YouTube. Today we're checking out my new 2020 W990 Kenworth logging truck. So we'll do a little walk around. Picked it up yesterday at the shop. Now has 1,139 kilometers on it. 600 Timmons X. The hood is huge. I'm back to the bush Monday. So need a new logging truck. Looks good, all shined up, all brand new. 11R 24/5 Michelin off-road tires. I drove it home yesterday and the X felt a little tight. Okay, I think it'll loosen up though in a couple thousand K. Micmac head rack on it. All dressed up nice. These tires are lovely. They should work good. And they are Michelin X Works. Trailers are brand new. 2019 Timmons. I would have washed it today, but it rained most of the day. Tomorrow is supposed to rain, and Monday morning is supposed to rain. This trailer's only done one load so far. 4-axle Timmons. Beautiful trailers to pull. Steerable lift axle. These three stay on the ground all the time. I wish that one was a lift axle though. Some guys are running that and it works good for climbing hills when you're empty or running in the snow. Run as a tandem. Nice fancy clear LED lights. Real nice. Even started putting teeth to keep your logs still, which is a nice feature. All Firestone rubber on it. Really sweet truck. We'll see how she works come Monday morning. Gotta go up to the shoe pack. So we'll open her up. It's got 430 gears, 18 speed. Basically the same interior as my old T680. A little bit, don't have much room for stuff. Managed to fit my fridge between the seats. A box of necessities down there. Two-way mounted on the dash. 2 fuel tank gauges, 2 air suspension gauges. All your cluster. It even has a sun deflector or sun visor above the windshield, unlike the T680, which is a real nice touch. One thing I hated about the T680, they have breathers. Pretty wild. Nice sun visor. Number 206. Had to make a bracket up and move the license plate. I moved it ahead so you can fit a D sign in there if you have to haul oversized with the float. They had it hanging underneath. Bumper's already real low. Be scared that's gonna grab on the ground as it is. Excuse me. Old DEF fluid. We got Micmac for the head rack. Micmac fabrication. Want to check them out? That's where they are. This truck comes from the Kenworth dealer in Sudbury, Ontario. So anyway, that's my new whip. We're running this come Monday morning. There we go. Take it away. W990. Let's go trucking.